What is up, guys? Brittany here with Britt's Hobby Shop, and today I wanted to discuss this $10 bill with you all. So if you know anything about the different types of bills you can get when it comes to like errors or anything special or extraordinary that can get you some, extra cash, you would know that this right here is a trinary note. So for all my newcomers who don't know what a trinary note is, just take a look at this serial number right here. And as you can tell, there are only 3 numbers in the entire serial number, 0, 8, and 6. In a trinary note, these usually sell typically about $2 to $5 on eBay. But just imagine if this 8 was a 6. That would be a binary note. And those can sell for up to hundreds of dollars, guys. So yeah, I just wanted to share this with you all. Make sure you are checking your dollar bills. All right, guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Peace.